Good morning, students. Today, let us learn the concept of subtraction and its properties. To understand the subtraction more clearly, we have to look into some examples. So, let's start. There are 6 birds sitting on a branch of tree. Suddenly, 2 birds flew away. Now, can you tell me, students, how many birds are left on that branch of tree? To get the answer, we have to solve the sum. First, you have to know the subtraction sign to do the subtraction. So, let's solve the sum. At first, write ones tens, then 6 minus 2 is 4. So, 4 birds are left on that tree. Now, we have to look into the properties of subtraction. Property 1. Zero property of subtraction. And this, let us take 88 and 0. So, 88 minus 0 is 88. This tells us when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Property 2. When any number is subtracted from itself, the difference or the answer is always 0. To understand this property more clearly, here is the next example for you.
So now let's go for the next example. See students, here I have some balloons. Let us count the total number of balloons I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here I have 15 number of balloons. Now I will take away 15 balloons from this total 15 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now see students, when I take away 15 balloons from the total 15 balloons, does any balloon left with me? No. So from here we get to know that when we subtract a number from itself, we get 0, as 15 minus 15 is 0.
Now let us solve the sum. 15 minus 15 is 0. This tells us when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer or the difference is always 0. Now let's take next example.
See student, here I have some leaves. Let's count the leaves first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here I have 14 leaves. Now I take 2 leaves and put it aside. So now let's count how many leaves are left with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what we get? First I have 14 leaves. When I put out 2 leaves aside, 12 leaves are left with me. Okay?
So let's solve the sum. 14 minus 2, the answer or the difference is 12. Now Let's take one more example.
See students, here I have 35 pins and I will take out 13 pins from this total number of 35 pins. So let's take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now see students, what I have told you at the first, that I have total 35 pins and I took out 13 pins from this 35 pins. So how many pins are left with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Now see the both side. First I have 35 pins. When I took out 13 pins, out of them only 22 pins are left with me. This shows that 35 minus 13 is equals to 22. Understand?
Let's solve the sum. 35 minus 13, the difference is 22. So, I hope you all have understand the concept of subtraction clearly. I will give you a worksheet on subtraction. You will do that sums in your maths copy, and page number 61 and 62 will be your homework in book. Thank you.